thought broadcast, the patient is agreeing that the other person can hear in unison with him, but how? He might be able to explain it or might not be. For example, he might say that my thoughts can be assessed by a person sitting in Chennai via radio waves, via television, via satellite. Or he might say, I do not know how they are, other people are able to hear it, but I know my dif- thoughts are accessible to others and other person can hear it, right? Firstly. Secondly, if patient can hear his own thoughts or not, it is not important. Not important. So, what I meant to say, the person can say, okay, the other person definitely can hear my thoughts, right? But if you ask, ki, if you yourself are able to hear your thoughts, he might say yes, he might say no, right? This wouldn't make a difference. How? And if the patient can hear his own thoughts or not important. Other thing, not important. And anything else regarding thought phenomena, thought broadcast? Yes. This much about thought broadcast. Yes. Other person can hear in unison with this. Right. Now this, okay. So thought broadcast clear? Now thought broadcast at times need to be differentiated from delusion of mind reading. Now, what happens in the illusion of mind reading? The patient agrees strongly that other person know what patient is thinking. This is the main thing. The patient agrees that the other person knows what his thoughts are. But how? It doesn't matter. But then what is the differentiating point? The person agrees that other person knows what the patient is thinking. But he also agrees that the other person cannot hear his thoughts, right? If the other person is able to hear his thoughts, then it will be thought broadcast. But if the patient is just telling that the other person know what he is thinking and doesn't know how, he doesn't know if he is able to hear his thoughts or not, then it will become delusion of mind reading. Okay. So
Okay,
in
ma'am.
delusion of mind reading, the component of hearing of the thoughts is not there. Whereas in thought broadcast, the it is other people can hear the patient thoughts. Okay. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, one thing more. We need to simultaneously know about the thought withdrawal. Right? What the person says that the patient says that his thoughts have been taken out by external agency. Okay. He tells that someone else has taken out his thoughts. Bus, that's it. Someone else taken out the thoughts. If that external agency is able to hear thoughts or not, the patient doesn't know, right? The in thought withdrawal things end here. The patient says that thoughts have been taken out of the external agency suddenly, and he can't remember if he what he was thinking. Okay, can anyone tell me what else needs to be differentiated from it? Thought withdrawal should be differentiated from thought what, which is a formal thought disorder, should be differentiated from thought block. Thought block is not SFRS. What happens in thought block? the patient says that he can't remember what he was thinking. So what will happen in thought block? The patient would be saying something and suddenly will will forget what he was saying, and then he would say that, oh, I do not remember what I was talking about. The thought block will occur. Suddenly the thought will be snapped away, right? But then what is the difference from thought withdrawal? It won't be attributed to external agency. Okay, so that in thought block, the patient will say that I can't remember what I was thinking, but there will be no role of external agency. He will not attribute to loss of that thoughts to external agency, right? And thought block will come under formal thought disorder, right? Because thoughts are not being possessed by external agency. Okay, yes,
Okay, ma'am.
okay. So, oh, what four things need to be differentiated? Thought broadcast, other person can hear with the patient, delusion of mind reading, other his thoughts are accessible to others, but they can't hear his thoughts. Thought withdrawal, someone has taken out their thoughts, some external agency. And lastly, thought block, he has lost his thought, but not attributed to external agency. Right?